Today we're reviewing IM8 Ultimate Essentials, a supplement claiming to combine multiple vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts in a single formula designed to support energy, immunity, cognitive performance, and overall health. The marketing presents it as an all-in-one solution for busy adults. But does it actually deliver? Let's start with the ingredients IM8. Ultimate Essentials contains common vitamins like B12, D3, and C, minerals like zinc and magnesium, plus herbal extracts such as ginseng and ashwagandha. These components are generally safe and have some documented benefits for energy, stress reduction, and immunity. However, the exact dosages are sometimes lower than the levels used in clinical studies, meaning the impact might be minimal. User experiences are mixed. Some report a noticeable boost in energy and focus after consistent use for several weeks, while others experience no significant changes. The supplement seems most effective as a convenient daily vitamin, rather than a miracle health enhancer. There are no reports of serious side effects, though minor digestive discomfort occasionally occurs in sensitive individuals. Price-wise, I am 8. Ultimate Essentials is on the higher side for a daily supplement, but it replaces multiple pills, which could be seen as a convenience factor. Shipping and customer support are generally reliable, though some buyers note that subscription management can be tricky. The biggest concern is marketing hype ads often show exaggerated claims such as transform your health in 7 days or improve focus instantly, which are unrealistic. While the supplement is well formulated and safe, it cannot replace a healthy diet, exercise, or medical guidance. Verdict: IM8. Ultimate Essentials is a legitimate all-in-one supplement that offers convenience and moderate health benefits. It is not a miracle cure, but for those seeking a daily boost with multiple nutrients in one pill, it can be a reasonable choice. Manage expectations and don't rely solely on marketing promises.